Do you want to try crop top with your sarees this festive season? Let's look at this pink saree. It's a semi-silk saree, almost 30 years old. And the first intuition that goes is you wear the blouse piece that came with it. But if you don't want to do that, then you can buy this sort of a crop top. This one's from Abishti, which is a beige and a gold, which goes with most silk sarees because it's beige. Beige is easier to wear than white. Or another option is I have this self-sequence crop top that I bought from H&M couple of years back. And because this crop top also has a light pink flowers and the saree is pink in color, it matches well. Again, the whole colors are complementing the saree in a way that this crop top looks like a blouse and it gives a more fancier or a contemporary look to the traditional saree. Next one, let's take this red saree. First is let's look at this red and green. Now this is a blouse, it's not a crop top. Gives a nice, traditional look. Or you could take this beige and white top and pair it with this saree, giving it a semi-festive feel. Or you could take this crop top in a sequence and give it a more modern or a cocktail feel. It's the same saree. Look at the comparison side by side for the pink saree with the beige and the sequence blouse. And look at the red one with the beige and the sequence blouse. Next time when you go to a store and you like a crop top, then pick it up. Don't think that crop tops are restricted just for your skirts or your pants. Pick it up. See that do you have sarees in your wardrobe that you can pair it with. I have very limited sarees, but I try to pair them differently with different crop tops and different tops, and that way giving it new life.